Action. Hi guys, I am doing some guns today. So first gun is this one. You just slide the bullet in and then you shoot it.
Oh, got it.
And
Sorry guys, it just fell.
yeah, so that was just a fail. So now we have the. Sorry guys. Now we're gonna move this gun away. There we go. So now we have the new Nerf gun that I just got for my birthday.
Monster, the monster.
Monster!
Dun dun dun!
And this gun is so cool. You can, if you just press that button right here and you pull this thing out, you can just load in the bullets really easily. You don't have to
We're gonna shoot it at the camera. Shoot the bullets at the camera, okay? Do it.
Well, my brother said shoot the bullets at the camera. And I want to knock it down again.
Dun dun dun!
The monster!
Du, 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 du,
It's
du, du.
called the monster because it's a monster. And this gun is really good because when you can shoot it, you can actually make it shoot. Like watch. I'm gonna shoot a little bit. I didn't know if you saw that. So just gotta get the bullet. And now I'm gonna reload it. So now we just there we go. And now we're moving on to my second thing. The wiper. So this set came in 1987. It's really cool because you can move this through.
Here, say, if you guys give a thumbs up right here and point up, okay?
Give me a thumbs up. So right here, so I can win the golden play button. Right there. You guys are awesome. Woo! Now you can really do fun stuff with this thing. And really a lot of stuff. You can swing it. It's cool.
Get this
Bye-bye.
online.
Give me thumbs up so I can win the golden play button.
The diamond.
The done play button and silver and golden. So that's all of it today. Bye.
Dun dun dun! Porter, no.
Shut you up.
Porter, hold it and make so I'm gonna steal your Nerf gun on video.
No. Ha ha ha. Hey, what? Shoot you.